Guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you and your family are doing well. You know, I have been interested in making a couple of wall sconces in my home, but I wanted to make something similar that looks like a lantern. I wanted one that was going to be large and would look great on my wall. If I were to buy something like this, I know I would be paying good money for it. Let me show you what I did just in case you're looking for wall sconce ideas. First, I glued a 1-inch square wooden dowel to each edge of this 8x10 wooden plaque. I will be gluing the wood together using this heavy-duty construction adhesive. These wooden dowels are 17 inches long. Next, I place more construction adhesive on the top of the dowels, and then I place an 8x10 plaque on top. While the glue dries, I took a piece of wood that was 1.5 by 6.5, and I glued it to the top of a metal bracket. Next, I glued a 1.5-inch piece of dowel to the end of the wood. I also placed screws in it. Now I'm placing a couple of pilot holes in the wood. I let the glue dry overnight and then I sprayed everything with a matte black spray paint. Since this will be hanging up on the wall, I placed anchors in the wall. These anchors hold 50 pounds of weight, which is perfect. It's not going anywhere. Now I'm going to screw down the top piece to the wall sconce. Now that that's done, I'm going to attach the wall sconce to the wall. I placed a flameless candle inside a 12-inch cylinder glass vase. To secure it down, I added hot glue to the bottom. The flameless LED light has a remote and timer to it, so I don't have to worry about taking the candle out to switch it on. I can still reach in to pull it out if I need to. I'm so glad I don't have to worry about hiring an electrician or having to pay a lot of money to buy a wall sconce. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it to be very helpful. If so, please do me a big favor and give this video a thumbs up. Stay well. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great week.